Okay guys, I had my trusty little CRF250L out for a ride, got back late one night, so parked it. Next night rain was coming, so late in the day I washed it and then put it away in the garage. A few days later I noticed in the garage she was still wet, water spot still on it, so it had been raining solidly for a few days, very humid. And a couple of weeks later got back to riding it and no start, so she'd turn over and I could hear the fuel pump going, but no action. And I did notice exhaust. I couldn't smell petrol, so I took the tank off, had a look at the schematics and found out there's sort of two paths, straight from the ECU to the spark plug and straight from the ECU to the fuel injector. So I took the connector off the fuel injector, this little guy here, you can see just there, and plugged that on and off about 3 or 4 times, and then bingo, ignition, and she was purring again. So yeah, hope this helps someone else. So it's just this little guy here, this connector here.